welcome to our second video for the patterns unit. In this video, we're going to see how we can write an equation for a pattern. So here we have a table that tells us how a pattern is formed, and the pattern itself is down here, started with the first three elements. So this pattern is counting the number of shapes 1, 2, 3, and it would continue on. And then the total number of blocks in each shape, that should say, in each shape. So, in shape 1, there are 3 blocks. In shape 2, there are 5 blocks. And in shape 3, there are 7 blocks. And without drawing the next 2 shapes, I have noticed the pattern. It starts at 3 and increases by 2 each time. So I was able to fill in the next 2 elements in the pattern without having to draw the blocks. So our pattern, if we wanted to write it out on one line, it would look like this: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. So to write an equation for a pattern, it's not too complicated. You choose any element in the pattern. The easiest one to do is just choose your first element, which in this case is 3. So you're going to write 3. And now, is it an increasing pattern going up or a decreasing pattern going down? In this case, we are counting up, so we're going to use a plus sign because we are increasing. So we need to add on. So in order to get from 3 to 5, we are adding something. So 3 plus something equals the next element in the pattern, which is 5. And this is really easy to solve for. You either can count on, you can go 4, 5, that makes 2. Or if you want to, you could actually subtract the larger number minus the lower number. 5 minus 2 is 3. Oh, I'm sorry, I did that incorrectly. It is 5 minus 3 is 2. So our missing number in this equation is 2. Some people might not want to start with the first element. Maybe they want to go to a different one. So they might say 7 plus something equals the next element, which is 9. And in this case, it's still going to be the same answer because the larger number subtract the lowest number, 9 minus 7, is again 2. So that is how you write an equation for a pattern.